Hi everyone, today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome way to make money online using affiliate marketing on Instagram. Thus, I want you to watch carefully and follow me in this tutorial step by step in order not to miss anything important. So buckle up and grab for yourself a cup of coffee and let's jump right in. And the first step in our today's video, head over Google and type here in the search bar NutriProfits. Then click over the first result, NutriProfits. Then you will be taken to this amazing website, NutriProfits.com. And of course, NutriProfits is a renowned website affiliate network that contains a wide range of different affiliate products regarding many niches such as health, beauty, skincare, weight loss, and etc. And the best part here in NutriProfits that you can sign up with no strings attached, as NutriProfits doesn't ask you for a website or a given number of social media followers. And of course, this option makes NutriProfits a suitable option for any beginner in affiliate marketing. I will leave an amazing list that contains the best affiliate networks for beginners, including NutriProfits.com. Thus, you gotta check it out, this amazing list. Anyway, here in NutriProfits.com, just head over to this button that says sign up. So you can sign up for free and insert your credentials like username, email, password, and so on. Following that, after making a free account here in this amazing website, just you can jump to this offer section. Then, as I said earlier, you can find a plethora of different affiliate products regarding many niches like acne, weight loss, energy drink, cholesterol, menopause, and so on. And the best part here, again in NutriProfits as affiliate network, here you can find great commissions with a lifetime cookies, as you see. So you can start promoting any of these beautiful products as you like. So quickly we can pick one of these beautiful products like this one, Dental Land. That's for fresh breath. So you can click over this one, Dental Land, as you see. And of course, the bad breath is a big problem many people suffering from, especially smokers and patients with gut disorders. So this amazing product cures this awful problem. And as you see, as statistics from NutriProfits, 1 in 4 people worldwide suffers from this bad breath. And now we can jump to the second step in our today's video and this tutorial, that is how we can get some promotional materials to promote this product. There are two options. The first one, we can go to YouTube and here we can look for some videos regarding this product, if so to speak. Bad breath tips. Then here you can find a vast array of different YouTube videos that are talking about this major problem, bad breath. So now in this step, we can pick one of them like this one, for example. So now we can copy the link of this video, copy a link address, and now we can jump to an awesome website that is cutlabs.ai. It's a wonderful website that enables you to convert your YouTube video into different vertical short videos that you can share later on social media. So here you can drop your video link here in this bar and make highlights. So you're required firstly to sign up for free, then click again over this button, create new clips. Then a few moments later, you can find this video turned into different vertical short videos. And while you are waiting this process, we can go to the second option to get promotional materials or reels to promote your products. That is, you can head over Google and then you can look for some articles that talk about the same problem, bad breath advice, bad breath tips, tricks, and so on. So we can type here. Here you can find a vast array of different articles talking about this problem, as you see. So now again we can pick one of these articles, or you can take them all in all one by one, like this one for example, 9 ways to stop bad breath, and copy this link, copy link address. Therefore you can go to Google again and here you can type something like Typeframes and jump to the first result, Typeframes.com. And here in this website, I take it as a top secret for me to generate short videos from any article you drop its link here. So here you can go to free tools And here you can find a plethora of different beautiful AI tools that convert your article, your text to an amazing short video for free with a lifelike voiceover as well as a dynamic caption. Of course, I talked about this amazing website before in a previous video. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. So quickly we can pick one of them, like create a TikTok video, then drop here your article link and select from this drop down menu your lifelike voiceover, your natural voiceover with all human features like this one. Listen. Allow the world to live. Adam, we did the things we are capable of. Rachel, Drew, and so on. So we can take this one. Okay. Then click over this button, generate video. Eventually, here you go. The results of Kotlab CTI and your YouTube video was converted to short clips as you see, with an amazing overlay and a beautiful description. So you can download all these videos as you want. And that's for the second option regarding Typeframes.com. Here you can find this amazing video. And of course, you've got to watch the full video regarding this Typeframes.com. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. How to deal with this amazing website and these beautiful tools to generate your TikTok video, Instagram Reels, and so on for free. And if you ask me about the watermark, you can remove this one using a powerful external website that is 123apps.com, and here you can go to this one, video tools, and go down a little bit to this tool that says remove logo from video. Therefore you can remove this watermark, this transparent watermark, easily and with no problem. Anyway, by this option you can get different reels and different Instagram videos about this problem. You have product to cure it. Time now to build your business on Instagram and create your own business page for this specific problem, that is mental health and mouth health and so on. Therefore you can upload your reels regularly on a daily basis, ranging 2 to 3 videos a day to get more traffic to your videos and get your traffic to your link in bio, where you can promote your products professionally and successfully. For every single Instagram reel you are uploading, you've got to optimize this video to search engines to get more exposure, to be more viewable by different people, and so on. And you can do that by 2 ways. The first one is hashtags, target hashtags, and search engine optimized captions. And you can do that for free in this amazing website that says tools.pixart.com. Here you can find this generous website that gives you many of these tools for free regarding text, image design, and so on. As well as you can find a beautiful section that's specific for AI tools. As you see, AI writer, click over it. Then here you can find over 70 AI templates that would help you more in your business, like title generator, grammar checker, keyword generator, shortening, idea generator, and much more. And in our case today, just to generate target hashtags and beautiful search engine optimized caption, here you can find these 2 options: hashtag generator tool and image caption generator. Thus, for example, if we try one of them for free, like this one, image caption generator, hit insert this data, like describe your image or your reel, if so speak, bad breath tips, and we can repeat this keyword again in this field. Add a call to action, click the link in the bio to cure this problem and to have a fresh mouth breath and something like that. By click the link in the bio, for example, and select this tune as you want from this drop down menu, like friendly, and click over this button, generate. And just it's a few seconds to get 3 different amazing captions for your Instagram reel. And of course you can generate more and more and more for free. And as for hashtag, you can do the same process to get target hashtags for your topic and for your Instagram reel. Therefore, for every single reel you can attach one of these beautiful captions and then insert some hashtags in the first comment of this reel after you published it. And now When you are uploading many reels, as I said before, regularly on a daily basis, from 2 to 3 reels a day, here you can get more traffic to your link in bio. So now how you can promote this dental lamp product we have taken from YouTube Profits in the first place. So here you can insert your affiliate product in what's so-called landing page or link in bio that contains a variety of different products that you are promoting, as well as your dental lamp product. And of course, I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment a list that contains the best free link in bio builders that you can use for making landing pages for your social media platforms. Or if you want to create a single product landing page, so you can find also down below in the description box and in the pinned comment a list that contains the best free landing page builders, including Google site. So we can go and select the first result, Google sites, then go to blank site. Therefore, you've got to prepare this landing page or this website to promote your dental lamp product or any product you want. So you can insert your site name, like the name of your product, for example, like this one, and here you can remove this title, I don't need it, and here you can upload an image regarding this issue or this case or this disorder you are curing. And of course, you can go to one of these beautiful websites that give you free images for commercial use, such as Pixabay, Unsplash, Pixels, and so on. So if we go together to Unsplash, Healthy Mouse, so we can pick one of these beautiful images like this one quickly and download it for free. Then head back to our website and upload. Perfect. And now to promote your affiliate product, just head over to this right panel that contains content blocks and select this one, for example, as you see. And then insert your image that refers to your product you are promoting, and here you can insert a description and a call to action. So how to do that quickly? Regarding YouTubeProfits.com, here you can take a screenshot of this product, or one of the best features here on YouTubeProfits.com, it gives you some promotional materials or images, and you can find in different and some other products what's called banners. So here you can download this zip file or compress the file that contains a variety of images to promote your product dental lamp, and it would be like that images, and you can find two folders, amateur photos and professional photos, like these as you see. So you can pick one of them and you can insert in your landing page as you like, and upload one of them. Perfect, as you see. And here you insert a description, so you can get this description from YouTube Profits itself, from this one that describes your product. Copy and go back here to your Google site, paste, move, and now you can go back to this right panel and select what says button, and here you insert a call to action to promote this product and the affiliate link. So you can get this call to action from any AI tool, or you can use ChatGPT, and here you can ask for giving us a powerful call to action to promote a dental lamp that cures bad press, as you see. So we can get enough of this one. Then insert your affiliate link that you take from YouTube Profits, this one, geolocation, copy link, and here, that's it, and insert. So you can widen it. Perfect. And now we can publish your website or your landing page and give it name like the dental lamp or anything else. So you can click over this button, publish your website, and you are all set to promote this landing page on your profile and your bio on Instagram business page. Thus, you can use your reels and your videos regarding these tips, pieces of advices, tricks for curing bad press to get more traffic to your link in bio, as we made in our call to action and our caption for every single reel. So you can get more people who are looking for a effective cure for this bad press problem, and then we'll be taken to this landing page where you can promote this dental lamp product, as you see, with an amazing banner regarding this mouth health, and here there you can find a description and this attractive image and a beautiful call to action. They click over this button, then they will be taken to your product page. They purchase, you'll get your commission like a boss. by the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.